Let's learn how to enable or disable video autoplay on Instagram. So this maybe is annoying to you. Or you just don't want to have autoplay or want to have autoplay on enabled or disabled while watching videos or reels, or you just want to spend less data and save up your internet? No worries, I will show you how can you do that. It's pretty easy and quick, just follow my steps. So first let's start by opening your Instagram application. Method is same for both iOS and Android devices. When you opened Instagram from starting screen, go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon in bottom right corner. When you did that, wait for profile page to load. When loading, finish, search for 3 horizontal lines JN top right corner. They will lead you to Settings and Activity tab. After that, scroll down near the end of page until you find Media Quality, which is in your App and Media section. When you did click on it, this will open you a brand new page with 3 options. We are interested in first and last one. First one is use less mobile data. That means from now on, videos that are shown on Instagram will be with a worse quality, it will stop autoplay, and load a bit longer to save data on your phone. To enable it, just tap the button near option. Same method goes for disable HDR video playback that will prevent videos from showing in higher quality and stops autoplay, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.